Hello everybody, welcome back to tutorial number 2 of the palette focus of the Marc Jacobs Provocateur eyeshadow palette. Bam! Just like that. Flip it. Dang it! Got it on my fingers. Yeah, that's a bummer. Eyeshadow palette. Don't know what kind of look I want to do today. I do want to do something. I'm thinking of maybe incorporating this as a blush. Maybe, we shall see. And as usual, I'm still going to be using my NARS blushes as well for my Marc Jacobs. Gosh, what is this one? Outlaw. Such a beautiful, I haven't used this one yet. Did I use this one last video? I don't remember. And the Dolce Vita. Which is more of that. We shall see. We shall see what we're going to get into, and still using my Marc Jacobs highlighter for my highlight on this one. So yeah, let me go and prep my eyes. We're gonna do something a little bit smoky and sultry today, or just something of that sort. So let me go and prep my eyes and we'll get into the tutorial. All right, so eyes are prepped with the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Eyeshadow Primer. And I think to start out, I want to go into, I don't know. Let me go in with Style to just put into the crease to get a little bit of a fluffy moment going on. A fluffy. And then going in with a good shadow shader brush. Going with something like this. Actually really have no idea how pigment this is going to look. Oh, perfect. Beautiful, cool tone. Lilac. Gorge. Just put it right there, just literally right in the crease, just to kind of get a little bit of a hint of a transition down, which is going to be amazing. Gorge. Perfect. So that is down, and then from there, I think I'm gonna go in with this one, Embed. Might as well start off with this one. Putting that one here first. Right into the corner. Oh, that is vibrant. Gorgeously vibrant. Then going in with that fluffy brush again and just blending out the edges and just diffusing it into the lid. That is all. And I kind of want this color to be the focal point of the look, so perfect. I'm going to do the other side and we'll continue. So this is where we are at thus far in this process. Oh, this is such a beautiful color. I don't know if I'm going to use it as a blush. We might use it as a blush. We shall see, actually. You know what? I'm going to go ahead and take a fluffier, bigger, you know what? Something like this. Dip it into that magenta. Get off the excess and just to have a wash of that color all the way out here. Okay, there we go. Get more of that edgy editorial. I mean, oh. This is the highlighter blush, highlighter brush from Anastasia. Perfect. Just really begin to blend that out. Creating that base. This eyeshadow primer, I swear, is everything. Ooh. Alright. Now I'm going to go in with this deeper one called Just Stay. This one right here. Right here. Flat, fluffy brush, and I'm going to use that as a transition shade from here really get that plum going into this. Ooh. Ooh. And then just using my fingertip to just blend that together. Oh, that's a beautiful color. And one of my favorite eyeliners is actually from Marc Jacobs, which I wish I still had. The Highline, was it the Highline? The black one. Oh, it was so deep. The creamy formulation one. Perfect. And now I'm gonna go in with a liner brush. I mean, look at that. That color storage is so beautiful. And I'm gonna go in with this deep one called As Well. Going in with a liner brush first. And just really creating more. I mean, we could actually see how deep this gets. And then going in with a fluffy brush just to begin to smoke it out. And this palette is beautiful. Because I actually remember how ecstatic everyone was that he was revamping his eyeshadows. His I think this is right when Shameless foundation started to come out as well, which was my favorite foundation to use to wear every day because it was just so beautifully looking like skin. Obviously the shade range probably wasn't the best to start off with, but with starting off with the new launch, I think it was a great start, and then just expanding from there. So let me go to the other side and we will continue. All right, so this is where we are at. I mean, turn down the ring light a little bit. So this is one thing I love about Marc Jacobs. I mean, especially with his clothing brand, it's all about layering different types of textures, styles, finishes, and you just really start to come out with something so beautiful, so bold, so dramatic, so sultry. So let me go ahead and do, I did Pat McGrath Permagel and Extreme Black there. Actually, you know what? Since we are here, let's go ahead and do the mascara. And then I think for the brow bone, I'm just gonna use the highlighter because why not? And the highlighter that I have from Marc Jacobs is almost like a duochrome, the pinky peachy shift that I have so many times over. And then I think for lip, I just might do some Dior or Guerlain, I don't know yet. We'll keep this high end. And then, so I'm gonna go ahead and take this highlighter. Bam! So you can kind of see this shift in it, not as. And then just go ahead and start to dab it right on top. Oh, who is she? Oh, that actually just complements this look so much more, creating layer and depth. Okay. Well, let me go and get the rest of my face done and we will see the final look. Like, I'm really starting to feel this look. Very sultry. All right. Here is the final look. Oh, I love it. I mean, gorgeous, gorgeous. So I actually did use the shadow as a blush. the embed. So where is the brush? So what I basically did, what happened was, took this, put it here, focused here, buffed it out on both sides, and on top of that, I took the Dolce Vita. Where is it? Is this a Dolce Vita? Dolce Vita, and just did it on top. So that's how I got that color for the blush, and I actually really do like this combination. Oh, it's so gorgeous, so posh, so couture. Oh, and then for lips is the Charlotte Tilbury Supermodel Pillow Talk. I wonder why I couldn't see it. Pillow Talk mixed with a little bit of the Naked Rose Opulus from Pat McGrath on top. Just a hint of it. And yeah, Pat McGrath mascara, Benefit for the brows, NARS for the foundation. So yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed this look. Something very simple and catching, and oh, it's just so beautiful, so couture, so sophisticated, so provocateur. Actually set my face with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dewy Setting Spray, and on top of that I sprayed the Charlotte Tilbury's Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray, which I do love this. I'm buying a full size of this for sure. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Obviously, if you guys want to see the final look, final edit of everything, go to my Instagram. I mean, like, it just does something to me. This look is just so, on so many levels, just so beautiful. And that blush and that highlight, oh yeah, use this as a highlighter as usual. So, and it's not like a beaming highlight, but it gives you more of that like dewy skin type of highlight, which I love. So hope you guys enjoyed. A few more tutorials to come, that's for sure. So yeah, so let me go take my pictures, and then I'll take all of this off, and I'm gonna enjoy the rest of my evening. And I figured I'd keep the stubble on for this look. So hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.